This is the platform lifter. To install the platform lifter, decide where you want to use it, and make sure you have enough room to do so. The platform is 3 feet by 3 feet, and the smart track that supports it is 60 inches long. Each of the power adapters come with 6 feet of AC cord that will need to be plugged into an outlet. Take these figures into account as you choose the location for your platform. Connect the 2 pieces of smart track using one of the red connectors. The included Allen key will allow you to remove one or both connectors, and then use one to connect the 2 smart tracks together. The second connector can be left connected to the smart track or disposed of. See our stud finding video here to help you find your studs. And before installing any smart track, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your smart track and the product you will mount to it. Each piece of smart track needs to have 2 lag screws to properly hold the weight of your platform. That's 4 lag screws total. Once you've found the studs for your smart track, use the included drill bit and drill at least 1 hole, making sure you've hit a stud. It helps to hang the smart track with the 1 bolt and use the smart track to find the remaining spots for your holes and screws. Make sure to use a wrench or socket wrench when tightening your lag screws, as a drill could damage the screw and the hole. Once your smart track is securely fastened to the ceiling, here's 3 things to remember. First, your MyLifters need to face the same direction so that their cables come off of the same side. Second, your carabiners will go in the holes directly next to their respective MyLifters, on the same side of the smart track as where the cable comes off of the MyLifter, and on the same side of the MyLifter as the DC input. Third, there needs to be 8 holes between one carabiner and the next MyLifter. You're ready to start mounting your power adapters, MyLifters, and carabiners. Grab your second power adapter, plug the first adapter into the AC outlet on the second, and mount the second adapter on your smart track with the AC outlet on the adapter facing away from the rest of the smart track, and plug your second power adapter into the nearest outlet. With the 6 feet of power cord on your power adapters, you may need to either fold and tuck it into the smart track or wrap it around the adapter, depending on which you prefer and how far away your outlet is. Mount your MyLifters using the included pins. The 2 MyLifters need to have 9 holes between them to properly lift the platform. Use the included 3-foot DC power cords that go from the power adapters to the MyLifters. Your MyLifters are now powered up. Your carabiners will go on the smart track in the holes next to each MyLifter. Use the included track covers and cable clips to make your installation look its best. This may take some time and patience to get everything tucked away. With your MyLifters powered up, download the app to your smart device and press the pair button on each lifter. The flashing yellow light will turn green. In the Add Devices menu, the lifters will appear in the newly added section. Return to the main menu and tap Create Group. Select Locked Group. Select the names of the 2 lifters. Give the group a name and tap Create Group. This is the group level control. If the lifters aren't level, you can adjust them individually now or later in the Help menu. If you're powering up both MyLifters for the first time, they should be level. Adjust if necessary and tap Set Group Level. This is the control screen for the MyLifters. You can raise and lower them, set high points and low points, and monitor the load level of the MyLifters together and individually. Lower the cables enough that you can run each cable through the pulley blocks and back up to the carabiners. Now, let's assemble the platform. The platform has 4 edge brackets, 4 corner brackets, 2 cross brackets, 3 wooden panels, 4 rubber feet, 6 carabiners, 4 cables, and assorted nuts, bolts, screws, and washers. Screw the rubber feet into the corner pieces using the included Allen screws. Connect the corners together using 2 bolts in the bottom and 2 on the sides. Don't worry about these extra holes here. Bolt the cross brackets into place. Insert the wooden panels and screw them in from the bottom. Place a carabiner in each corner bracket and connect the cables up to the center with a 3rd carabiner on each side to join the cables. Using the app, lower the pulley blocks and connect your carabiners to them. Now, raise your platform a short distance and make sure it is level. Adjust the level in the Help section in the app if necessary. That's it. Your platform lifter is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter. GarageSmart, a smarter home company.